Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you another traffic exchange site that I use on a daily basis to promote my affiliate links or website. And the site I'm talking about, it's called fastandfurioustraffic.com. And the reason why I chose to review this site was because of the initial results I got for promoting my referral link on this site. So let me just show you right quickly the initial results, and I'm gonna jump to my Leads Leap account. I always use Leads Leap to track my traffic. So let's just go to rotators. This is the link I'm promoting on some traffic exchange sites at the same moment, including this one, Fast and Furious. And I created it like 2 days ago on April 24th. Today is April 26th, as you can see here. So that day that I created it, I was active. Yesterday, not so much. And today, I haven't started my surfing session yet. But throughout all these other traffic exchange sites that I'm promoting the same rotator within these 48 hours, only from Fast and Furious, I got the best results. 2 responses out of 61 real visits. Now, for you who already know Leads Leap, I'm sure of it, probably, you know that this is a good conversion rate. This is a good percentage, a great number actually. However, to be fair and honest, 2 days it's too early to tell if it's working or not. But I decided to record this first review on this site, and then I'm gonna continue using the same sites with the same rotator link for a month or so, and then I'll record a second video. Alright, and compare the results. See how this site has been doing for me so far. Also keep in mind that it all depends also from the link that you are promoting. If you're promoting a direct referral link, a landing page, a capture page, whatever it is, it always depends. The results are relative. Alright? However, before we jump into today's video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button and notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. I'd appreciate it. Now, let me just log into my fastandfurioustraffic.com account. And by the way, this site is free to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. You can click it. It will take you to the create account page. Create an account. Quite easy, 100% free to join. And the moment you log in, this is the first page that you'll be surfing, that you'll be seeing. Okay, you just click here, no thanks, go to my account, or you can skip it right away. Now, for those of you who already use traffic exchange sites, especially hungry for hits, of which I already have a couple of videos, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this one. You might see the similarities is almost 100% the same features, it works the same way, and you can advertise the same using the same advertising goods. Okay, so the moment you log in, this is the home page of your account with its sub menu here. Now, at the home page, of course, you will find the latest news or notifications, private messages if you have, also the daily promo code, which I suggest you claim it every day. Just copy it, go click here, or you can go to the promo code through rewards page here, paste it, and click add. And as you can see, if you surf 100 pages, you will earn 10 credits and 50 banners. Now, this advertising goods varies from day to day. Some day it is also cash, 0.01 cent, nothing much, but as I've mentioned before, on traffic exchange sites, the idea is not to get to earn money. I mean, you can do that if you get referrals, too many referrals, but the idea is that if you earn 1 cent here, 1 cent there, you can use them to purchase advertising goods. Okay, don't just wait there to withdraw them whenever you reach the minimum amount. You can do that, but it's not worth it. All right. Anyways, and in the home page you also will see this, the spot. It's an advertising feature. You can also create your own spot, and every user will see this spot. And if you click here for a price, okay, now it says here put your site here. If you click here for a price, it will take you to the price page. This is a page from another user. You will have to wait 20 seconds, etc., and you will earn credits. Okay. And under the sub menu there is support, account statistics. You can check out your statistics here, how many credits you have, commissions, referrals, at all the other advertising goods, etc. Latest news, of course. You can rate this site, and this quick clicker for pro members is a feature for pro members, and I'm guessing that this is a kind of tool that will help you navigate faster on traffic exchange sites during your surfing session. I already have a tool like that, if it's like that, obviously, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. It's called a quick tab change. I already have a video on it. Anyways, and this other feature that I wanted to leave for last on this page is the 3 steps to success. Basically what you do is you upgrade on 6 after entering your affiliate IDs on the downline builder, which is the same feature as everywhere else, but here are different sites. Okay, and you have to upgrade on all of these 6 sites here, including Fast and Furious traffic. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna promote only the Fast and Furious traffic referral link, and whenever you're signed up, and if, and this is a big if, your referral signs up under your link and upgrades on all of these sites, then you can start earning real money, okay, every month. And if you get, here is a calculation for 4 direct referrals, supposedly upgrading on all of these sites, all right, all of this, and you will earn this much. Okay, and this is an estimated earning. It's not a guarantee that you will earn this. So basically there is a lot of spending, and then there will be a lot of promoting on your part to drive traffic, and quality traffic actually, because you want buyers to buy, to purchase these services. You don't want just signups. Okay, so I don't know about this feature. I don't want to be judgmental about it. I have to try to be sure and talk about it. But I'm guessing that you have to work a lot. You have to advertise it a lot to get referrals, as many buyers, actually, as many buyers as possibly you can. Okay? Anyway, so let me just show you also the surfing page. It is an 8 seconds surfing timer, and these are the top 5 surfers for the day. And by the way, if you're in the top 5 surfers, you will earn advertising goods or even cash. Okay, you just click here and then it will take you to the other page, and every day you will be competing with an opponent. The one that surfs the most pages will earn a bonus at the end of every day. Okay, quite simple, right? Quite familiar if you already surf on other traffic exchange sites. And then again, you can advertise using the spot, the one that I showed you in the home page. Let me just go right quickly again. There you go. Or you can set it up by clicking right here. You can also set up your ads, banners, square banners, text ads, and auto assign your credits. I'm not going to go through all of these because I already shown these in my previous videos on Hungry for Hits, which is basically the same thing. Or you can purchase advertising. Okay, login spotlight is the first page every user will see every day when they start, that day when they start their surfing session, because this is a daily advertising feature. And then of course there is tracking, rotators, and reserve page views. It is what it means. Basically there are some features here, but one is that every user after its 29th surfing page will see your ad. So every like 29 pages or 30 pages, your ad will be displayed to that user again and again, okay, depending on how many pages they surf. And here is the promotion tools. Okay, here you can find your affiliate link, your social profile link. You can share this on your Facebook just by clicking here, or you can use splash pages already made, or you can use Leads Lead or other advertising platform that to create a landing page for free. Okay, and you can also use banners if you own and manage a website. Okay, so basically this is, and okay, let me just jump here to downline builder first, and you can see all the sites that you can sign up here, and your referrals will follow you, will be your referrals as well here if they sign up under your Fast and Furious Traffic referral link. All right, simple as that. And the rewards page. Now here is the promo code, the one I showed you at the beginning, that I claimed my daily promo code. And here is the surfer rewards. For every this many pages you surf, you will earn advertising goods and piggy bank credits, piggy bank cash. If you surf 1,000 pages, you will earn 0.05 piggy bank. Okay, excluding all other bonuses you will earn as a surfer, as a top surfer. Okay, so this is it for this site, guys. It has more than 1,500 users, but apparently these are all active ones, and let's say users that want to learn something new, want to explore new opportunities. Okay, however, like I said at the beginning of the video, it is too early to be sure about it. That's why I'm going to continue using it. Like I said, um, for a month or maybe 2 months, I'm going to record another video and compare all the results. In the meantime, in the description of this video, you will find all the necessary links that I mentioned in this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching, hit that like button and stay tuned for more videos to come. Cheers!